Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Learning Support. I'm Priya here and we'll continue with our physics chapter light. In previous video we have discussed about speed of light in different media. We also defined refraction and terms related to it. Now let us see why refraction of light takes place, or why is there change in the direction of light when it moves to second medium. What is different in light traveling in this medium and light traveling in another medium? Any guesses? Yes. What changes? Speed. Speed of light in one medium and second medium is different. That is the main reason for light to change its path or bend or refract from its original path. We have three cases here. We'll discuss what happens when light travels from rarer to denser medium, denser to rarer medium, or it travels along normal. We have here XY, which is a surface separating two media. Air or rarer medium in this case is above, and below it is denser medium, which can be water or glass. This is incident ray and this is normal or perpendicular at the point of incidence. Now this incident ray, when it is in air, it moves with the speed of 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. But when it comes to this second medium, in case of water, it will travel with a speed of 2.25 into 10 raised to 8. In case of glass, it will travel with a speed of 2 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So we can see that speed decreases when ray of light travels from rarer medium to denser medium. There is a decrease in speed. In that case, ray of light will move towards normal. A ray of light traveling from rarer air to denser medium bends towards the normal. Now let us see what happens when ray travels from denser to rarer medium. Now this is water or glass denser medium and this is rarer medium. So ray of light is coming from denser to rarer medium. In this case, speed in the second medium will increase. Speed is less in denser medium, more in rarer medium. So the speed of light will increase in second medium and ray of light will bend away from normal. A ray of light traveling from denser medium, that is water or glass, to rarer medium air bends away from normal. Let's see what happens when light ray travels along normal. That means in a perpendicular direction. A ray, it will go past undeviated, that is without any change in the direction. A ray falling normally on the surface separating the two media passes undeviated. We'll also see the angle of refraction and angle of incidence in all these cases. Here angle of incidence is more than angle of refraction, or we can say angle of refraction is less than angle of incidence. Here angle of refraction is more than angle of incidence, greater than. Angle of refraction is greater than angle of incidence. In this case, both angle of incidence and angle of refraction are 0, because incident ray and normal are along same line. So there is no angle between them, angle is 0. We will also note that this ray passes undeviated when it travels along normal, but it will also pass undeviated when ray of light passes from one transparent medium to another transparent medium having same refractive index. It also remains undeviated. So if the medium 1 and medium 2 have same refractive index, then also ray of light will pass undeviated. Refractive index is given by ratio of velocity of light in the two media. This we will do in detail in next video. Let us go to our Q&A section. I'm sure you all will be able to answer the questions very nicely. Let us see. First question, a ray of light falls normally on a glass slab. What is the angle of incidence? We know it is 0. Angle of incidence I is the angle between incident ray and normal. Since both are along same line, angle of incidence is 0. A ray of light travels from rarer to denser medium. How will it bend? We have seen from rarer to denser, it will move towards normal. It will bend towards normal. A ray of light travels from denser to rarer medium. How will it bend? Denser to rarer, it will move away from normal, or it will bend away from normal. Now in these, we have to draw refracted ray for these diagrams. This is a question. This is incident ray. Now this ray is coming from rarer medium to denser medium. So when a ray of light comes from rarer to denser, its speed decreases and it moves towards normal. This is our answer. This is a refracted ray which has moved towards normal. Let us see second question. This is incident ray. We have to draw refracted ray. In this case, ray is incident and it is going from denser to rarer medium. So speed of light will increase and it will move away from normal. This was incident ray. This is refracted ray. From water to air or denser to rarer medium, ray of light will move away from normal. Now here, ray of light is incident normally or along the normal in a perpendicular direction. So it will pass on undeviated. So that's all for today. Thank you.